Hello my friends, I hope you will find this video useful because I was struggling when my furniture in RV, this is a Class C RV, pretty brand new, 2024, so I bought it last year, but I already have some interior damage on my furniture here. And I find the perfect solution. I will show you the quick piece, what I can do with that and what the damage is, but it's easy to fix. So I just bought from Amazon this thing. So it's called wood textured repair tape, and I bought about like 5 about the same color so I can match my furniture what matches best, and then I returned the rest and I left what's matched the best. So I need the tape, I already have it. I like to silicone it on at the end, and I have alcohol just to spray and wipe it, so remove anything that can make it not sticky. So let's go. Let me show you what the damage is. So that was the tape that was stick to the bottom. Don't even ask me how it's happened, and it's like all around. And I already make one here, and I will show you how good it will be looking like after you've done it. So see how it's looking right now. Let me get it close up here for you. Yeah, so this is the damage. This is like the surface of it was just peeled off from the furniture all around here. Okay, what I do first is I'm gonna clean it. So let me clean it with wipes and alcohol. So the alcohol I bought, it just spray. So I'll just spray. Let's take this piece. So I'll spray it and wipe clean. The second one, I want to remove, because I silicone it before, and the silicone goes like on the bottom, so no, even if there is some water, so no water will go underneath and ruin my furniture, because it happens before. So the best way to remove, oh, see, I made some damage, but the best way, if you don't want to do them, you just stretch it. So if you stretch your silicone, it's not gonna damage your furniture even more. You might not have the silicone, so I do prefer, and I will silicone it once I'm done. Oh, see how it's really bad. I made it even worse right now, but I'll fix it. Okay, so at least I cleaned this part. I will do spray one more time. We'll wipe it dry. We'll have some couple minutes to make it completely dry. So this is how it looks like, and let me show you the process here. It's just peel and stick, very easy to do. It's a little DIY project at home, and so I just make it that way. Now I will peel it. Yeah, so it's better. Big mistake, but it's better to start from one side and then just stretch it around. So yeah, so it's not ideal. Oh, it's actually, I see on a camera, and it's looks worse. It's actually matching in real life. I don't know, that's camera or the light, but in the real life it's matching a little bit better than it looks on a camera. All right, let me finish up. I don't want to hold you on I will speed it up the video, but I want to make it clean. I don't know, video make it, you know, visible, but in real life it's a little bit better. I don't know if you can see the piece here. Maybe the different angle will do it. No, it's even worse, but from the outside, no, it's visible on a camera. But again, in the real life, it's a little bit better. So I just wanna, anyway, even if it would be looking like that, it's kind of make it, you know, the wallboard looking thing, and it looks good to me, better than it was. Remember how it was? It was like that. Now it's this thing. I hope this video helpful for you. Please like it, or if you have something to add up to my process, please leave a comment. All right, see you on the next video.